Lamb shanks the Italian way. Did you know that you pay so much money when you go to the restaurant and order lamb shanks, when instead you can make it at home? It's so easy and you don't have to do much. All you have to do is wait for the pot to do the job. Look at that, 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 look at that. Look how moist. Can you see how moist? Can you see how moist this is, huh? Can you see it? Ah, oh, look at that. Look at that. Mmm. 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 Lamb shanks. Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate, the place where you get to learn how to cook Italian recipes and turn lamb shanks into sublime dishes. To make a sublime lamb shanks Vincenzo's Plate style, we need top quality lamb shanks. Get them from the butcher. Then we need 1 large chopped carrot, half onion, chopped, you can use any type of onions that you want, and 1 celery stick, also chopped. Then we need some chopped parsley, 250 ml of vegetable stock, 2 bottles of passata, which is about 1.4 liters. We're gonna have so much sauce that you can use it the day after for pasta, for meatballs, or you can freeze it. Salt and pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. First thing to do, guys, is to start from the soffritto. So, on a medium-high heat, we're gonna put extra virgin olive oil in a nice pot. And today I'm using cast iron because I love it. It's a slow cooking recipe, so cast iron is the best thing to use. Here we go with the celery, onion, and carrots. Now basically we want all these ingredients to make love together, okay? They need to make love together. They need about 5 minutes to cook together before we add the lamb shanks, okay? So make sure you stir. And now let's cover it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, oh, you wanna smell this beautiful soffritto. The kitchen smells fantastic. Quick stir. Look how beautiful this soffritto is. Now we are gonna add the lamb shanks, okay? So the lamb shank one at a time. One is there. We need to brown the lamb shank, okay? We want all the sides to be brown. Here we go. And what we wanna do is about 5 minutes per side until we brown it. My son Sebastian loves this so much because it's full of flavors, moist, and you do need to put love into it so you can enjoy it as much as Sebastian does. Every 5 minutes we turn. So this side is brown. Now we want to brown this side. Now this side. Sometimes it might take less to brown, okay? So just keep an eye on it. It might be less than 5 minutes. And at the same time, we're still cooking the soffritto, okay? So we're adding more flavors to the soffritto. Okay, let's turn it again. It's been a few minutes. Turn this again. As you can see, the sound has been brown. See? That's what you want. Perfect. Now what we do now, we're gonna add the vegetable stock in there. So we're gonna give some extra flavor to the base, you know, to the soffritto. Now the stock is gonna help to relax the meat, okay? We want the meat to relax from now on, okay? This is a slow cook recipe and you need to take your time. From now on, we cook on a medium-low heat. Cover it and let the pot do the job. Okay guys, after about 10 minutes, we'll reveal what's inside. And here it is. We have beautiful moist Soffritto now, as you can see. There is a little bit of stock left, but not much. So now we can add the passata. Now this passata will be full of flavors, and you will have leftovers passata, you know, that you can use for pastas or anything that you want. What I like to do is I like to freeze the leftover sauce, and I use it whenever I want. Here we go. Beautiful passata rustica. This is something I usually don't do because I don't want watery tomatoes, but for this recipe we can do it. We're gonna add a little bit of water in the bottles so we can clean the bottles and then put it back in the pot. Quick, do this, quick. So we clean the bottle, and here we go. Add in there. Do this one too. Add in there. Let's put some salt and pepper. Put as much salt and pepper you like. Let's put the stove on a lower heat. We now stir, okay? Stir so the sauce goes everywhere. Now, as you can see, I want my lamb to be covered by the sauce. That's the best way to cook the lamb and get a beautiful off-the-bone lamb. You know, you want the lamb to be super moist, okay? Now, from this moment, you don't have to do anything. You just put it on a low heat, covered. From now, we're gonna cook this for 3 hours on a low heat, okay? If you want to cook it for 4, 5 hours, do it, even better. We want the meat to be nice and moist and full of flavors. If you have a slow cooker, go for it. You put it on in the morning, when you go home at night, it's ready for you and it's gonna taste fantastic. This is an easy recipe that you don't have to do much. All you have to be is a passionate foodie. You don't need to know how to cook. This does the job for you. And guys, don't forget, every about half an hour, go and stir. Go and move your lamb shanks and turn them around so they don't get stuck to the bottom, okay? This is very important that you do it. That's the only job that you need to do. Stirring is caring. Guys, after a few hours of cooking these lamb shanks, it's time to reveal what we have created. And here it is. Oh, hello babies. How moist and tender are you, huh? How moist and tender are you? Look at this baby here. Oh, yeah, cooked in a beautiful slow cooked sauce. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my God. It's time now to serve the lamb shanks. And here we go. I'm gonna put the tomato sauce at the bottom of the plate. Try and get all the carrots here, the celery, the onion. Well, the best part is right at the bottom, okay? So don't forget. Here it is. Beautiful. Now we need to add our lamb shanks on top. Oh my God, look at this lamb shank. Look how juicy. It's coming off the bone. Off the bone. Oh my God, this is so tender. It's so hard to transfer everything there. Oh my, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful babies. Now let's put some more sauce on top, just to cover this beautiful meat. Oh, yes. Now you're probably wondering, what am I gonna do with all this sauce? What am I gonna do? Guys, this is one of the best sauces you will ever eat in your life. This sauce, you can keep it in the fridge for 5 days, or you can freeze it. You can make a wonderful pasta, you can use it for meatballs, or anything that you want. Guys, this is a top quality sauce. Not sure about you, but I'm gonna add some parsley. I like to put parsley on mine. I'm gonna put some nice parsley here. Oh, delicious. We do need a little bit of green, you know, for decoration. All you need now is some top quality sourdough bread. And here it is, a fantastic meal for the family. One per person, and your dinner is done. Guys, now it's time to try. Let's see why Sebastian loves this dish so much. Let's see how moist it is. Look, it comes off the bone. Look at that. Look at this. It comes off the bone. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Moist. Look at that. You don't need a knife. You don't need a knife. Oh, I'm gonna eat this one. Melted in my mouth. Melted. The best part about this is that it is full of flavors with minimal amount of ingredients. This is what the food is all about. A top quality lamb only needs a few ingredients around it. I just had a piece of carrot with this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I can't wait to make pasta with this sauce. I cannot wait. Yum! You know what's the best thing to do? Is to have a nice slice of sourdough bread, you dip it in. You also use the bread to clean the plate, you know, when you finish eating the lamb. You get a lamb now, you put the lamb and the bread. The perfect combination. Wow. What a beautiful sauce. Guys, I'm in heaven right now, okay? So I need to eat. I need to keep eating. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. Meh! Meh! Meh!